Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known as the Ultimate Gardener. Come join me in growing generations by generations. So Ultimate Gardeners, in today's exciting sprouting video, I decided it was going to be a fun topic to talk about 5 vegetables that are best to grow in the state of Florida. Florida is a unique state because we have to deal with high levels of heat and humidity, and not only that, we have to deal with random temperature shifts. As you know, if you live in Florida, last week we had to deal with the frost that messed up a lot of our gardens. It damaged a few plants, it killed a few plants, and so we are just recovering from that, and so now we are hungry to grow our own food. And so there's a few plants that thrive in the state of Florida because they love the heat, they love the humidity, and they can handle different temperature shifts. So I'm gonna be stating 5 to you guys in today's video. And so before that, I want to thank everybody for helping me reach 2,000 subscribers. That's such an amazing goal that we hit, and it's such an amazing accomplishment. And so I have a giveaway lined up for you guys, so please stay tuned for that. And also I want to thank David the Good for featuring me on his channel and doing his best possible to help me reach 2,000 subscribers. So thank you so much, David, for helping me a lot. It means a lot to me, especially me being a young gardener. So let's talk less and let's go ahead and move on to the first vegetable. So Ultimate Gardeners, coming at number 1 is cauliflower. Here I have a snowball cauliflower that I started from seed not too long ago, and look how good it's doing. It has no diseases, it hasn't been covered during our random frost, and it hasn't been fertilized at all since the day I planted it, and it's just thriving and doing amazing. Look at this huge canopy of leaves we have, and it's already starting to go ahead and connect in the middle, which is a good tell sign that we are about to have cauliflower in the next few weeks, which is exciting. This is what you want to have in your garden, something that is strong, sustainable, and low maintenance in your garden, so you could just plant it and have it succeed and thrive without giving you so much work. So cauliflower is number 1. Coming at number 2 is bush beans, and all different types of varieties of beans. Especially bush beans. In my particular experience, I've had great success growing bush beans. Here I have an entire area specifically with red swan bush beans, and as you can see, they are already starting to set these beautiful periwinkle pink flowers, and they're ready to give me some bush beans to enjoy and eat in the garden. Bush beans are super sustainable and low maintenance to grow because you plant them and within a few weeks or within a few days they germinate, and within a few weeks you already have flowers, and then you have produce in the snap or in a blink of an eye. That is what you want. You want fast moving plants, low maintenance, and they are doing amazing. They were direct sowed here, which is best commonly used when it comes to growing beans. And so bush beans is the variety I would recommend for my Florida gardeners, but you could grow any type of variety you want. So once again, number 2 is bush beans. So Ultimate Gardeners, coming at number 3 is cherry tomatoes. Me personally, you could grow any type of variety of tomato you want, but I found the best success growing cherry tomatoes here in the state of Florida. Here you can see I have a little branch of multiple cherry tomatoes that are starting to color up, which is very fun. So this variety is a grape tomato, which is hybrid, which is super fun. So you could grow any type of variety of tomato you want, but I've personally found more success growing cherry tomatoes because they're low maintenance, they love full sun, which is great, and they don't require so much fertilizer here in the state of Florida. And keep in mind, they do like a good amount of watering, so keep them in mind when you're placing them, because you do want to keep them in an area where it keeps moist but is not dripping in water. So tomatoes is number 3, but specifically cherry tomatoes, because once again I found the best success growing cherry tomatoes. Coming at number 4 is kale. You can see here I have a big bed full of kale, all different type. It looks like red Russian and some other different types of kale. This was an Ironman mixed kale that I planted. I direct sowed here, and look how fantastic they're growing. Super low maintenance. They actually become sweeter when you don't cover them with the frost. The frost actually makes them more sweeter, so keep that in mind. They don't require so much fertilizer. They don't require a lot of watering. They're low maintenance. They really are disease resistant from what I know of, which is what I want, because low maintenance and they're fast growing. So once again, number 4 is kale. So to main gardeners, coming at number 5, which I left best for last, is cabbage. Cabbage, just like cauliflower, is low maintenance. They require full sun. They don't require so much fertilizing, and they do best with more water. Me personally, I've grown cabbage before from seedlings, from sprouts, and I have a few cabbages coming along right here, as you can see down here. And as you can see with the logo of my channel, I've grown cabbage and I've had great success with it, and I just love personally growing cabbage. And me personally, I found best success with growing small heads of cabbage because that's what requires less maintenance towards. So smaller heads of cabbage is best for you. And so I just love growing cabbage. It's such a delight to do, low maintenance, and it just requires the bare minimum. So let's go ahead and wrap this video up. So to main gardeners, that's it for this exciting sprouting video. Once again, in this video I covered 5 vegetables that are best to grow in the state of Florida. This list is not only for the state of Florida. You can grow these vegetables in other different states, but these vegetables love heat, humidity, and water, which is all main factors that Florida provides very well. So feel free to use this list. I'm gonna be leaving a complete list down below in the description box below if you want to check it out. And so yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you found something new, if you learned something new on this video, please feel free to leave a like down below. And while you're at it, please consider subscribing to show your amazing support towards the Ultimate Gardening channel, and also share with your friends and families to help other generations learn where their food comes from, but not only that, learn how to grow it. Thank you all so much for watching, and just like you know in every other video, never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.